Hi, welcome to Salsita Linda. My name is Alexis and today we are going to be making a roasted salsa verde. So let's get cooking.
For this recipe, you will need 1/4 of a white onion, 4 serranos, 2 unpeeled garlic cloves, a handful of chopped cilantro, and 12 tomatillos. This is what they look like at the markets. Peel the leaves back to check that the tomatillos are shiny and smooth. First, line your comal or pan with foil. Next, set your burner to medium-low heat. Then place the tomatillos, onion, serranos, and garlic on the comal. After 5 minutes, start turning the ingredients so everything can roast evenly. After 20 minutes, you will notice the smaller tomatillos turning a yellowish color. That means they are ready. Place the tomatillos in a sealed bowl or bag so they can sweat. Continue turning the ingredients. Once the garlic is soft, add them to your bowl. Once the serranos and onion are completely roasted, add them to your bowl. Remember, it's important to keep the bowl sealed after you have added the ingredients. As the tomatillos yellow, add them to your bowl. Once you have added the last of your tomatillos to your bowl, let everything sweat and finish cooking for 20 minutes. Next, add all of the ingredients to a blender. And don't forget to remove the garlic peel. And blend everything together. Next, add the leftover juice to your salsa. Pour your salsa into a bowl. Then add 2 generous pinches of salt. The chopped cilantro, and mix everything together. And your salsa verde is ready.